Audition for How to Make Hemp Jewelry by Kelly McGee. If you want to learn how to make hemp jewelry, then get the How to Make Hemp Jewelry Guide now. This is a highly informative, step-by-step guide with captioned pictures that demonstrates the fundamentals of hemp jewelry making in a fun and whimsical way. The expert really connects on a personal level with the reader to give a treasure trove of information where everything is covered, from tools that are needed to the history of macrame to choosing beads and hemp to work with. There is even a section dedicated to dyeing hemp. The main focus is in teaching basic macrame knots, along with other techniques such as braiding and weaving, to give the reader a well-rounded cognizant basis on which to start making jewelry of his or her own. More advanced methods, however, are touched on throughout the guide in ways that can easily be understood by a beginner. Included are several techniques for making adjustable jewelry. You will also find numerous tips from the author on general technique based on years of experience in this complete and comprehensive guide for the average beginner of any age. There is something within these pages for everyone, whether they have been making jewelry for years or have never made a piece of jewelry in their lives. As you go through the book, you will see how easy it is to learn making hemp jewelry step by step.